Alright, for some reason, got another box of this shit. Haven't pulled anything that great yet, so I don't know why I keep buying it. Here we go. One time. I shouldn't say that because I've already hit a booklet technically. I'd love to hit that Undisputed Era booklet. Sketch card of Ric Flair, Elias Orange, Shelton Benjamin, Finn Balor sketch, 2 sketch cards. Autograph, is that Shinsuke? Yep, already have this. 140 of 199. Shinsuke Nakamura. So, not off to a great start. Could be worse, but it's a duplicate, so already hit that once. Aiden English, Orange Sheamus, so it's so far 2 parallels. AJ Styles, another regular Sheamus. NXT autograph, bald head, 36 of 99. Bald head. Ricochet, 36 of 99. Rick O'Shea, my favorite Irish superstar. Titus O'Neil, Daniel Bearden, this is a relic. Sami Zayn, Lacey Evans, and a relic, 15 of 25, 2-colored, Bo Dallas. Yeah. BT made the set, but Bobby Fish couldn't. Totally awesome. Adam Cole, Finn Balor. Ooh, gold Finn Balor. Pretty sure that's gold. Yeah, 2 of 10. Gold Finn Balor. As it does not want to focus on the card. Finn Balor, gold. Nice. The Rock. And the relic is a boring... See, this isn't even a base relic. It's 29 of 99, but it's no color. Makes no sense. Gold Finn Balor. Sasha Banks sketch card. Asuka. Kairi Sane. Paige. The auto relic is green. It's upside down. 21 of 50. What do we got? It's a guy. And it is awful. It is Zack Ryder. Massive tool. Hard pass on that one. See, that's green out of 50, and it's 1 color on the shirt relic. Makes no sense to me. Bo Dallas, Baron Corbin, Orange Leo Rush, Ali, and the autograph is NXT. Are you friggin' kidding me? Ricochet! Oh my god. Leo Rush, 7 of 99. I hate tops. They just pay no attention to anything. EC3, Bray Wyatt, Leo Rush, Rusev, and the auto relic is Ricochet. What the hell? 13 of 120. Topps is complete and utter garbage. Ruby Riott, Nia Jax, sketch card of Ricochet, Kurt Angle, and the autograph. Is that AJ Styles? Okay, that's all really good. 1 of 5. AJ Styles purple. That is a phenomenal hit, no pun intended. Ricochet. Curtis Axel, Cesaro, NXT auto, Scott Dawson, Jinder Mahal, and the NXT auto is that Dakota Kai again? Yep, 10 of 99. Dakota Kai. I can tell you that I will most likely not buy another box of this, and if I do, it's one, because I really want that damn booklet. But this is probably the last or the second to last box. I'm not buying any more than one more. Last pack of the break. Mysterio, Harper. It's another NXT autograph. Braun Strowman, Goldberg. If this is Ricochet, it's not Ricochet, but it's Dakota Kai. I don't even know. Topps, you're garbage.